Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
Calculate the potential of hydrogen electrode in contact with a solution whose pH is 10. Here what we have to find? We have to find E cell of hydrogen electrode half cell. What is the half cell reaction of hydrogen electrode? That we already know, right? H plus 1 electron gives half H2, correct? So here N is what? Number of electrons involved is 1. Before starting the numerical part, you must know few facts. First one is, what is pH? What is pH? pH means minus log concentration of H plus, right? Here what we are supposed to find? We are supposed to find the potential, which means E cell of which half cell? Hydrogen electrode half cell. And what is the equation for E cell of a half cell? It is E0 cell, correct, minus 0.0591 by N log 1 by Mn plus, right? This you know, right? This is Nernst equation for half cell. For hydrogen, what is E0 cell? We know it. We know, right? It is reference electrode, so it is 0. For SHE, we know E0 cell is equal to 0. Now 0.0591 by N. What is N? We already know it. 1 log 1 by concentration of H plus. Now we can solve this, right? So minus 0.0591. Okay, now here you can see log 1 by H plus. See, you must know this rule. Log A by B is what? Log A minus log B. So we are going to use that rule here. So log 1 minus log concentration of H plus. Correct, right? But we know log 1 is equal to what? Log 1 is equal to 0. So it becomes what? Minus 0.0591 0 minus log H plus. Right. Now what is pH? Minus log H plus. That you can see here, right? Minus log H plus. It become what? It become pH. Correct. So minus 0.0591. See, this minus log H plus become pH. Clear? And as per the question, what is pH? It is 10, right? So minus 0.591 into 10. Correct? So what you will get? We will get like minus 0.591 volt. And that is our final answer. So for doing this, you must know pH is equal to what? Minus log H plus. You must know log A by B. Log A by B is what? Log A minus log B. Then log 1 is equal to 0. And Nernst equation for half cell. This is the equation. And for hydrogen electrode, a half cell, hydrogen electrode half cell, this is the equation. If you know all this fact, it's a case of numerical, a very easy thing. You can easily do this. Okay. Hope all of you understand.